Okay, we're going to go over this tire balancing machine. This is our snap-on WV250. The on switch is right back here, so just we can put this on. We've got our three controls here. Our wheel diameter, we can change how big or small our wheel diameter is here. Our rim width here, and then our offset. How much is our offset? And you can change if you want ounces or grams. Set different mode or fine. You can put that on or off. We're just going to leave this in ounces. I mean, we're just going to maybe mess with this one. Really, the only knobs you need to be turning are these. Okay. So let's go get our tire and let's balance the wheel. Okay. So we have our tire here, and we want to make sure that before we balance this, there's no wheel weights on here because that's going to give us a false reading. So we need our tire tool. We want to pull these weights off, put them aside, take the one off the front, check the back of the tire as well. Here's one. It's way down here. Take this one off. Okay, let's put the tire down. Okay. And tool there. We want to find the cone. It fits this diameter, and we can try the different sizes. So it's a little too small. I think the cone we actually need is on the machine already. So let's come over this side. We'll unscrew our lock. And make sure this cone is on here, otherwise it's going to scratch the rim. You have to have this cone on. Okay, this cone on the lock. Okay. So let's try this cone here. Yeah, that's going to fit. So we're going to put it on our arbor here, and put the tire lined up. It's snug, and now we have to put in our three measurements. So here's our offset. We pull this out. We pull it just the inside of the wheel, and it's telling us it's at 6. Let's go ahead and turn our knob on 6. Then we need to measure the width and put our tool here. So we're going to measure our width here, and that is. What you're doing is you're putting one end just in the inside lip of the wheel, and the other lip on the outside lip of the wheel, and you look at that measurement, and we're at about 6.5. Okay, 6.5. So we're going to turn our wheel rim width to 6.5, and then our wheel diameter, and the size of this is 205 60R 15. So I'm going to turn this to 15. Okay. Once that's in place, the way this operates is I turn this handle slowly, and I go a little bit faster and faster and faster till it beeps, and then I let go. And now it's reading the tire. And now what I need to do is line up the top 3 lights with the bottom 3 lights, and that's where I need to add my weight, right here. Okay. Same on this side. On the outside, I go and turn the tire into the top 3 lights with the bottom lights, and I need 15 here. Okay. So now I just take my wheel weights. I'll take my 15. This one's 15. And I'm going to go to the outside here. Again, I'm going to push the weight portion, not the hook portion, but the weight portion in first. I'm going to put this at the very top of the wheel, and I'm going to hammer it on. Go in, and then I'll go do the inside. And it doesn't matter which way, if you do the inside or outside first. It's just whatever one you pick. And now I'm going to go 20, and I'm using this line right here as my center point, and I'm going to go straight up from there. So again, we push this part into the wheel first with the hook out, and then we hammer the hook part in. We don't hammer this down. We hammer the hook up into the wheel. Make sure we wind up still. Hammer it in. in. Go ahead and again spin this slowly, a little faster and faster till it beeps. I stop and I see if this is balanced properly. And if it is, it should say 0. And it does. And we can check. Roll this around. That's 0. And so is that. After we know we're 0, we're good. Take your tire off and go on to the next machine.